Hello, teacher. This video that I will present is about Together Alone, the topic from the chapter number 6. And so I'll start. Well, I watched a video from YouTube, and for example, it had different information about how the technology is affecting our lives. For example, now the human being depends on the interaction with a device, for example, maybe a cell phone, a computer, or including the television. And now we prefer to have interaction with a cell phone. A cell phone can send us messages with motivation and can give us some pieces of advice, and we say, okay, the internet, the technology, and the cell phones are so good for our lives. But what about the natural interaction with a person face to face? I think that it's the most important to have interaction with a person, to to talk, to express our feelings, to say something, because sometimes we are alone, as the topic says, together alone. So if we feel alone, we used to go and take our cell phones and try to go and watch some videos from the social media and send pictures and send emojis and funny messages, but that's not correct, because we used to fulfill something that is empty inside us, and we used to replace it with the technology. And because of that, now our new generations are suffering of different problems, illnesses. For example, they are suffering from anxiety, they are suffering from depression, and it is about the overusage of the technologies, because we are alone. We are alone always when we are using the technologies. We feel that we are sharing our feelings and we are sharing information, we are having the interaction with someone, but that's not correct. And together alone means that we used to to cheat our brain, for example, because we may say that we are having a good conversation and we are smiling, but you are smiling alone. You are smiling alone at your home, and suddenly you say, what I'm doing? I'm here alone, smiling, and feeling different emotions, but I am alone. And just because I have watched a message from the internet, from any social media site, but that's not correct. And I think that most uh, we must try to avoid it, the usage of the technologies, because if we don't want to be alone, uh, thinking that we are beside someone or having a good company, we need to understand that a real interaction is with a person face to face. Thank you so much, teacher.